What's good, YouTube? What's good? Here with another video, y'all. Y'all in profits here with another one. Yo, I know I'll shoot a video in a minute, but NASDAQ wasn't showing me no setups. So I changed to gold futures, and I'm doing all right. So right now, this month, took two loss back to back. You know what I'm saying? I don't count the $15 loss. That's a break-even trade. But the slippage took it to $15. But I had two back-to-back losses this week. Still in profit. I'm gonna show you my top step thing in this video. Like over here somewhere. But I'm still 400 and change in profit. Trade again tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? A little rusty. Because gold didn't deliver, man. I mean, NASDAQ. I had like 2 weeks of no trade in NASDAQ. 2 weeks. So I'm rusty, man. I gotta keep shooting my jump shots. Because of this Iran war, NQ was ranging the whole entire March. So that's why I changed to gold, man. So when I traded NASDAQ, I seen gold is moving. So that's it, man. I'm trading gold from now on. So for my 2 trades in gold, 1 break even and 1 loss for today. I took my last trade on NQ yesterday. I took that loss. Lost like 200. Today I lost like 384 bucks. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? Because my system and process, I have low risk. But when I hit my profits, big profits, man. So when I lose, it's nothing. So far, I'm doing the TopStep Combine. I'm trying to pass this Combine so I get funded. Once I get funded, I'm getting these payouts, man. So that's the goal now. Pass this Combine. I'm so close. So close. So I got a whole system that I worked on. My strategy, I'm doing pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? Do my pullback strategy. I'm doing a little bit of supply and demand, but I'm not taking entries off the zone no more. I'm taking entries off the pullback. Like example for bullish, when the market trend up, it creates a higher high, and price go down and create the higher low. I take entry on that higher high and catch that continuation up. That's when I take my entry off the momentum, you know what I'm saying? I take entry off the momentum of that continuation from the higher low. So meaning, when price hit that demand zone, I wait for the demand zone to create a higher low, and I wait for that continuation up into my entry. That's it. Price action, pullback continuation. That's just all I do. You know what I'm saying? So no more reading supply and demand. I just catch that pullback. Impulse up, pullback, and you get money on that continuation. You know what I'm saying? I do videos on that, all that. I want to show y'all what I mean, you know what I'm saying? To me, in my opinion, I trade better that way than the regular supply demand. You got 3 entries to choose from: aggressive, conservative, and breaking the candle. It's confusing me, man, off that zone. So I figured out a way how the market moves. It's common sense. impulse, pullback, and continuation. You know what I'm saying? Some say it's ICC, but it's just a regular pullback continuation, man. People change the name and make it their style. You know what I'm saying? But it's just pullbacks. Trend up, pullback, continuation. That's it. Get money off that continuation. You know what I'm saying? So, if I grab my food, take a little walk. You know what I'm saying? Took 2 L's for the week. Tomorrow's another trading day, and we'll see what's up. Hey, what's good, man? This is 2 days later from that outside video y'all just seen, man. I did record a video yesterday, but the files off my camera is messing up my computer, man. Messing up my laptop, man. My laptop pretty old, man. So my files on this camera is pretty big. So I gotta load down the file, so I couldn't even record that video. But this is attempt number 2. Today is Friday. Today's Friday. I'm trading on gold right now. Like gold is trying to do a pullback. We got 2 demand zones here. I don't trade demand zones no more. I'll wait to a pullback, then I take my entry with the continuation. So right now, that's what I'm waiting for. And until then, I'm waiting. So, yeah, y'all. Hope this video worked, man. You see, I'll be back. So basically, I'm just waiting for the pullback like it's happening right now. So I'm waiting the price is impulse up. So now I'm just waiting for this pullback to come. Once the pullback on price make the higher low, then I wait for that continuation. Then I take entry from this higher high and keep taking it up. So that is my plan I'm waiting for. So this is a bearish candle forming. So I hope this is the pullback forming right now, so I could take this trade. If you change it to the line, hit this line, press that, and you come right here, you see the candles is gone, and it show you the straight line. This is the line I'm talking about. Impulse, pullback, and that continuation. Now wait for the next one, the next pullback and continuation. That's the uptrend. That's basic market structure, and that's what my system and process is about. I don't do supply and demand no more. As you see right here, the people who do supply and demand is waiting for price to come hit this back. The supply and demand trader is waiting for price to hit this demand zone and take off. But with the pullback continuation, we don't wait for the demand zone to get hit. We take our money off the continuation. Pullback. Another demand will form right here. Another demand zone will form right here. Then we get our money off the continuation, while the other traders is waiting for the demand zone to get hit. We already got our bag and done for the day. So that's the pullback continuation. That's my system. So I'm just waiting for price to pull back and we get our money off this higher high of the continuation. Now you easily switch back to these candles here. Boop. Back to the normal candle. Back to the normal candles. See, demand zone. Price ain't touching yet. Everybody here waiting. The people who got this trade right here, pullback, the pullback continuation traders already got their money. Boom. So I'm waiting for this pullback to happen. I get my money. Simple. Y'all. This is the pullback. Price came back down. This is the pullback. So now I'm going to catch the continuation. So I'm going to put my long tool here on top of this higher high. When price come back, continuation, I catch it inside the trade. So this is what I'm waiting for right now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm waiting for it. So let me set up. Alright, got the W. Got the win early. at 9 o'clock in the morning. I made, where is it? 1,300 on my combine. So I'm getting close to passing this combine to get funded. 1,300 on gold. Like I said, pullback continuation. And it's still going too. This is the pullback. So right here, a demand zone has been formed. But we get our money on the continuation. This is where we get our money. So let me form the demand zone so y'all can see. So the demand zone is right here. It's deep. This is the demand zone. Supply and demand traders still waiting on this zone right here because this is the new zone. But the pullback continuation traders, look, we could have got all this money right here. Look at that. Price is still shooting up. But I got my money right here. So now, at this line graph I just showed you, go back to the line graph. You press this. And see the line graph. You see the pullback. Trend up. Pull back. Continuation. Textbook. Chef kiss. Impulse. Higher high. The higher low is formed. Continuation. Simple as that. They form a new demand zone. But instead of us waiting at the bus stop, we on the bus already getting money. You know what I'm saying? We the pullback continuation, we on that express bus. The express train, we out. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's still waiting here for price to come back. We gone. But that's the pullback continuation. Come back. Go back to your regular candles. And you see it. I could have caught all this. And it's still going up. It's a textbook. I caught a 3. A 3 to 1. No, a 3, almost 3 to 5. 3.45. This is like a 6. So I move my couture. This is like, I could have caught 3,500. In gold, this is 3,500 or 3,600. I could have caught 3K if I would have let this run. All the way from my entry point. And I just risked $400. 4.0 in gold and points is $400. That's all I risked. I could have made 3K, but I made 1,300. No problem, man. That's it. I'm done for the day. Early. It's like 9:30, man. I'm done. Caught that quick early move. That trend on gold. That's it, man. Go for us flying today. About time. You know what I'm saying? So the week, I'm like 2 losses, 1 win for the week. I'm gonna show y'all my TopStep Combine stats. So I need 1 more win to pass this combine. 1 more clean win. I'll pass this combine and get funded, man. And take it from then. So I already got my system in process. My rules are sealed. My system is sealed. And it's now time for the execution, man. You know what I'm saying? That pullbacks work better for me. It fit my personality. Supply and demand is still good. No, don't get me wrong. It's still a good strategy. No doubt. But the pullback, it goes with market structure. It goes with the trend. You know what I'm saying? I can't trade a pullback on a range or a choppy session. You know what I'm saying? It got to be a trend. You know what I'm saying? Price got to make high highs and higher lows, man. They have to make it. Price had to make low highs and low lows. You know what I'm saying? They have to. If it's ranging up and down, zigzag, I can't trade that, man. You know what I'm saying? I need high profitability trades and pullback continuations. It's a high profitable strategy because it goes with the trend. It goes with market structure. Oh, that's how it is, man. That's how March when I traded Nasdaq, I only traded 4 times in March because March, well, Nasdaq was ranging. It's range. I can show you that on my TopStep. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. All right, this is my TopStep Combine. I'm up 1,781. Like I said, I need one more clean win, man. One more clean win, I pass this Combine. I'll be up 3,000. 50-50. 50% win rate. 3 and 3. Know what I'm saying? My losses are small. I risk real small, man. With pullbacks, you don't have to risk a lot. You can risk little and make a lot of profits, man. You know what I'm saying? That's why I like pullbacks also, because supply and demand zone, sometimes the zone be big and you gotta put your whole stop across the entire zone. That's why a lot of people get smacked out, man, with big losses, man. But pullbacks, nah, you don't need that. My profit factor is 3.75, which is good because I'm taking small losses and bigger wins. You know what I'm saying? My equity curve is flat. Told you, it's flat. Took my 3 losses here and shot back up today. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to keep this curve up, going up to inside an uptrend. You know what I'm saying? Now let me see. This today win profit. My Wednesday loss, see, $384, man. I'll risk low, man. You know what I'm saying? I always risk $400. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. 400. My average risk jumped up to 800. Once again, man, average losing trade. See, 215, man. I risk small, man, to make big profits. You know what I'm saying? Risk small to make bigger profits. You know what I'm saying? This is April. Month so far. One more win. That's it. All right. April 2nd, I won 1K. See, look, I was on the charts. Every day, Monday, Friday, I'm always on the charts. Look. Look at that. No trade. Finally got a trade. Again, a week later. No trade 3 days in a row. This is a break-even trade. You know what I'm saying? This trade is a break-even. But the slippage, knock it down to $15. So, really, there should be no loss here. But the slippage hit me back. Hold on, my camera about to die real quick. Hold up. All right, put the new battery in my camera. So, like I was saying, this $15 loss was a break-even, man. But it happens. Now, week later, I lost $221 on NQ. So I stopped trading NQ. NQ running too slow, but the past 2 days, NQ had a good run. But me, I'm not trading Nasdaq no more. I'm sticking with gold, man. You know what I'm saying? Gold, I think gold has fit my system better. And I took a L yesterday on gold, 384, because I switched from my I think I was taking a sell. Yeah, I was taking a sell. I switched from taking entry from the lower low, and I move a little bit closer to the lower high for more aggressive entry, and I paid for it. So I should have stayed at my original spot, and I would have made profits, and I would have passed my combine today if I didn't move my entry. Because after I took that L, I lost profits. So I was watching price, and price moved straight from the lower low, break a structure, and keep continuing down, man. So I could have made 1,300 this day. But, you know what I'm saying? You live and learn, man. So today, as you saw, I made profit. So that's my combine in nutshell. So if I would have made profit on Wednesday, I could have passed my combine today. But, oh well. We got all next week to pass this combine. We got all the other week after that to pass the combine. So I'm not in a rush to pass the combine. You know what I'm saying? I'm sticking with my system. I'm sticking with my process. And I'm taking A+ setups. So inshallah, I should pass this combine by next week. Get funded, man, and get these payouts. So that's my system in a nutshell. That's the end of this video. Like and subscribe. Give me more videos. In my next videos, I'll be talking about the pullback continuation system. A lot of traders use it, but they changed the name ICC. But ICC take entry from the higher time frame, I think. But it's the same process, the same way entry, impulse, pullback, and continuation. Take entry. That's your money shot. A lot of people use that strategy, but the name just changed. But it's a pullback continuation momentum strategy. You know what I'm saying? Work with the trend. You get your money off the pullback. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of theories. Do call it like the run it up. Somebody running full speed, they get tired. That's the pullback, and the runner start running back up. You catch the runner, person running, catching back up, and get that money, man. But I do a video about that. But yeah, man. Peace. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. More videos to come. All right.